Hey everyone, this is Gabe from Los Gatos. This morning I am flying Premier from Mexico City to New York's JFK Airport. Passengers flying Premier have a dedicated check-in area in the terminal section L1. Flight 408 will be operated by a Boeing 787-9 out of Terminal 2. This terminal has all the basic airport shops, magazines, coffee, souvenirs, with most Premier lounges on the second floor, check-in and security on the first. After checking in, I headed to the first of two Aeromexico Premier lounges. First, the Salon Premier, which consists of two island-style bars where you can get coffee, wine, or any other alcoholic beverage of your choice. The lounge is pretty comfortable, but it can get crowded at times. There are cushioned booths and wooden high tops where you can sit. The bathrooms and showers are located immediately on the right-hand side of the lounge's entrance. The beer and beverage section is very well stocked and is self-serve. This morning, fruit, cereal, mini bean and cheese tlacoyos are being served as well as some juices. Not too far from the Salon Premier, located on the left end of the terminal, is the Aeromexico Heineken Terraza. This lounge is brighter, usually quieter, and with a great view of the tarmac. For your convenience, flight information are displayed on screens located on the back and sides of the lounge. For Premier passengers, boarding time is a little closer to departure time. After some time in the lounge, it was time to board. I didn't know I would be flying the Quetzalcoatl 787-9. This was a very cool surprise. The livery on this plane is inspired in Mexico's cultural roots. Quetzalcoatl is the Mexican god of intelligence and self-reflection, represented by a feathered serpent that resembles a dragon-like creature. The Aeromexico flight crew were friendly and professional.
Hola, buenos días. ¿El día está? ¿El día está? Que muchas gracias.
The seat configuration on the 789 cabin is night and day when compared to other Aeromexico Premier cabins, like on the 737 or Embraers. A few minutes after being seated, I was offered water or orange juice as pre-departure drinks.
Puse más. ¿No te dije 160? Sí, te dije 160 para aguantar.
Hidrátate mejor durante tu vuelo con Acapulco agua de coco. Pídesela a tu sobrecargo. Te deseamos muy buen viaje.
En unos minutos más vamos a iniciar nuestro vuelo y ahora es el mejor momento para ponerte cómodo. Al mando de este avión se encuentra una mujer o un hombre que han sido entrenados con los estándares más altos de seguridad y profesionalismo. En Aeroméxico contamos con simuladores de vuelo de última generación y todas nuestras tripulaciones están en constante capacitación. Con ello, te brindamos tranquilidad y la mejor experiencia de vuelo. Gracias.
takeoff on the 789 was very smooth and seemed effortless. Shortly after takeoff, we passed by the site of Mexico City's abandoned new airport. As we climbed, a flight attendant noticed I was recording. She suggested that I film from an empty seat on the other side as we passed mountains and volcanoes. The view from this seat was definitely scenic, and I was able to get a wider view of the GEnx engine. The turbines on this thing are huge. The Premier seat on the 789 is pretty good and gives you a complete control of all position settings. In order to make the seat work, you must press and hold the button until you reach your desired position. Single-click settings are not an option. The seat is very comfortable but somewhat narrow. I had to keep my arms and my chest for them not to hang. I was able to lay down flat. The IFE is quite responsive, big screen and a good selection of movies, TV shows, music and other entertainment options. Breakfast was interesting. I was over French toast or goat cheese tamale. The tamale was tasty but nothing extraordinary. The food in economy looked better. Since it's a morning flight, I was offered coffee, tea and juice. I expected a more generous food and beverage option on board. It's not terrible, but low-cost carriers like Interjet seem to be more generous with their alcohol and beverage options in economy. Overall, I'm a bit disappointed by the service. The bar on board consists of a whiskey, tequila, and rum option. Champagne and white wine were displayed on one wall, but were lukewarm like the staff didn't intend on serving them. On the other side, soda and water bottles were available. The bathroom for Premier class is slightly bigger than that in economy, but was nothing special. I did enjoy a nice window view from inside. Dreamliners are known for dimmable windows, which the crew turn on for most of the flight. Unlike physical shades, they don't block out the sun 100% and can leave a purple reflection on everything around you. The flight back to New York was generally quiet with minor turbulence. The final approach was also uneventful because of the overcast and snow over the East Coast. Overall, I'm a bit disappointed in this flight. The service on board felt lacking, especially the very few food and beverage options for Premier. Although the lounge access was a bonus, I don't think I will pay the price I did for this product again. This flight also did not include an amenity kit. The service I previously received in economy were better for the price. Maybe the afternoon or evening flights are different and I should try it again. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.